Okay, so we are out here at this garage pad or barn pad that we formed up a few weeks ago. This morning it was all poured, and now they are stamping it. But as soon as he's done this is old Scotty boy.
Brady,
I'll go over
here
and show you what the stamp actually looks like.
before we stamp this.
Here we go. So you can see it's poured perfectly. We have Matt, Brady,
Maybe I'll burn this right here.
Yeah, see what you got. It's probably gonna go for a bit.
Scotty.
Because as soon as we can actually break it, we can break the combos off, and then we don't have to do that. We can just hit it with a combo.
That's some work stuff, but here, we'll see if we can get. It's a plank stamp with an old rustic look to it, so that's why there's the lighter colors. And I know my camera's not picking up the black perfectly, but there's black in it as well, and gray, and it looks awesome. So we'll keep going on it. It's 1,500 square feet, so they're about a third of the way done. But coming along good. We'll send you the updated after. See ya.